Hello students, I hope you all must be staying safe and healthy at your home. So for today means 19th of May, I am going to start your chapter number 2, which is hardware of your unit number 1. Okay, so in this unit we'll be studying all about what hardware is, how many types of hardware do we have, and about each and every hardware device which is available in our market these days. So let's start with what is a hardware. A hardware and a software together makes a computer system. Means if I combine my computer system hardware and software with the computer screen, I get a hardware. हार्डवेयर इज एक्चुअली एनी फिजिकल डिवाइस विच यू कैन ईजिली टच, जिसको आप टच कर सकते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल योर CPU, फॉर एग्जाम्पल योर माउस, कीबोर्ड एंड एनी अदर थिंग. ओके, ऑल्सो देयर कैन बी नो वायरस अटैक ऑन योर हार्डवेयर. सो इफ़ यू माइट हैव हर्ड समटाइम्स, आपने कभी कभी सुना होगा पीपल से मेरे फ़ोन में वायरस घुस गया है और आई हैव अ वायरस अटैक ऑन माई लैपटॉप. So what is that virus going to do? That virus will automatically means change or deviate the working of your software, not of your hardware. So hardware is something which is not controlled by the virus attack. Okay, so if I talk of a normal computer system which has all the essential things, I can say my CPU, memory, whatever is available, either primary or secondary, input devices and output devices are examples of hardware. What is a CPU? What are the basic things in it like memory, ALU and CU? I have already explained this to you in your chapter number 1. So I'll start with the second part now. The second one is memory. If I say you have a very sharp memory, that means you can store so many things in your mind together. आप बहुत सारी चीज़ों को याद रख सकते हो. That is only your memory. So if I talk of computer, the place where we store the data and instructions, that is known as memory. Now we have two kinds of memory. One is primary memory and the other one is secondary memory. Primary memory, kids, is present in your CPU only, okay, and secondary memory is a kind of external storage device. Primary memory helps you to keep your data, okay, it helps you to keep your input data, it helps you to keep your output data and the processing data. Also this entire data is deleted once you turn off your computer. Okay, mainly primary memory data is deleted once you turn off your computer. But if I talk of a secondary memory, you take the example of a pen drive. Even if you take out your pen drive, means take off your pen drive from your computer system, still the data, the music, songs, movies stays in your pen drive. Okay, so this is an example of secondary memory which is non-volatile, which is permanent and which has large capacity, so you can store as much data as you want. And also you can buy the hard disk according to your need, hard disk, pen drive or whatever you want according to your need. Okay, now if I talk of types of primary memory, we have ROM and RAM. Let's discuss about its differences. Students, you have already discussed about the differences between RAM and ROM in your class 5th, 6th, 7th. I am just revising, means brushing up your concepts. Okay, so RAM stands for random access memory. As its name suggests, random means कोई सीक्वेंस नहीं है, यू कैन पिक एनीथिंग, कुछ भी आप चूज कर सकते हो. एक्सेस मीन्स यूज किया जा सकता है. सो इट इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ डेटा स्टोरेज जिसमें कोई भी डेटा कभी भी एक्सेस किया जा सकता है रैंडमली. मीन्स देर इज नो सीक्वेंस कि इसके बाद इसका ही टर्न आएगा. If I talk of read-only memory, this kind of memory allows me to store data for computer and this includes the instructions which are required initially. जब हम कंप्यूटर को स्टार्ट करते हैं, जो भी इंस्ट्रक्शंस रिक्वायर्ड होते हैं, they are included in this row. RAM can be changed anytime, okay, when required. If I talk of ROM, it's read-only memory, so this cannot be altered easily. If I talk of the storage kits, its storage is about in gigabytes. Okay, you know your pen drive is of like 2 GB, 4 GB, 16 GB, 32 GB, so that is GB, gigabytes. If I talk of ROM, its storage is in some MBs. The videos which I sent you daily is around in MB. So MB जो storage होती है megabyte is less than gigabyte. If I talk of their speed, RAM is quite faster if I compared it to ROM, and it is of two types. One is static RAM and other is dynamic RAM. Static RAM means when there is no functionality, कुछ नया change नहीं हो रहा है, everything is same. Static means in rest. Dynamic RAM means when everything keeps on changing. So what are the features of SRAM and DRAM that are not in your syllabus? You will study if you pursue computers in your higher studies. Okay. If I talk of ROM, ROM is quite slower if we compare it to RAM, and also it is of three types: EPROM, PROM and EEPROM. This is programmable read-only memory, erasable programmable read-only memory, and electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. So I hope you are clear with the differences between RAM and ROM and about the primary memory. Our next topic we will study tomorrow. Till then, please stay safe, stay healthy and happy at your home. Thank you.